for use with standard or wide winches. Telescoping shaft, No. number, 218411 specifications, for use with standard or wide winches, recommended to be used with roller fairlead, replaces a SteelwithSynthetic line during plow season. Features: Kimpex No. 218330, 1-inch wide heavy-duty strap, 3 with 16-inch synthetic attachment line. Kimpex No. 218262, 1 with 4-inch wide heavy-duty strap, 5 with 16-inch synthetic attachment line. Use your existing winch hook. Multiple spool attachment options maximizes winch pulling capacity, protects winch from hits and impacts, eliminates damage to winch by avoiding cable stacking and binding, reduce wear on fairleads, prolongs life of cable with synthetic rope. Warning: do not plow with a strap under tension. Do not raise the plow while the plow is in the snow. Make sure the cable angle is correct. You want a lift, not a pole lift. Top reviews from the United States. Seems to handle the constant wear and tear common with the repeated use of a plow winch. I like this plow lead. It sits flat, and since the regular winch line is removed, the best mechanical advantage of the winch is being used to lift and lower the plow.